Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to get the backup codes of phrase in Excel's app. Step 1. Access security settings. If you're using a mobile device, tap the profile icon at the top left corner. Tap security. If you're using a desktop, click on the profile icon at the top left corner, then click on security. Next, find the backup option. Tap or click View secret phrase. You'll be presented with a warning about the importance of keeping your recovery phrase safe. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your understanding and view your 12-word recovery phrase. Your recovery phrase is the key to your wallet. Treat it with extreme caution. Never share it with anyone and avoid storing it digitally. Write down your recovery phrase on a piece of paper and store it in a secure offline location. You can also consider making multiple backups of your recovery phrase and storing them in different secure locations. By following these steps, you can access your 12-word recovery phrase within the Excel app. Remember, this phrase is crucial for recovering your wallet if you lose access to your device or need to restore your wallet to a new device. If you found it really helpful, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.